This video is to show you how to use Desmos to help you find the greatest common factor. So I'm going to go in and open up the keyboard, and you're going to go to Functions, find Miscellaneous, and you're looking for GCD, so that's Greatest Common Divisor. And when you think about the greatest common factor, you're dividing the highest factor out of whatever numbers. Let's say you were given terms that had, I'm just going to make up some, 4 and maybe 12 and 6. I'm just making up random ones. Well, this tells you that its greatest common divisor, or the greatest number you can divide each of these numbers by, is 2. And you can put as many numbers as you want in here. So I could do, let's think, 9, 12, 15, 21. And all of these numbers, the greatest common divisor is 3. The highest number you can divide out of each number is 3. So this kind of saves you time, so you don't have to do the factor tree. And of course, you can still do the factor tree to check yourself. This just kind of helps you.